Oops. What's up, YouTube? So I decided I'm gonna do my first vlog today. Me and my best friend are going shopping downtown. So I thought that would be a fun vlog. And I know, look, this is random. I have one eye makeup. I got bored and I was watching 13 Reasons Why and I just did something. But anyway, I'm gonna take my shower and then I'm gonna meet her. I'm gonna go to her house and then we're gonna go downtown. So yeah, after I get out the shower, I'll see y'all. We don't even read my shit. So shoot, let me fix it. I feel like you know the YouTuber, her name is like Tiara. Her name's Tiara too. It's like, I don't know, like Tiara Marie or something. I always watch her vlogs. I love her. Anywho, here's my outfit. Don't mind our house right now. The ceiling had fell off a couple months ago. Anyway, so I have these sunglasses on. I got this shirt from Forever 21. These pants are Akira. I'm thick, I'm just saying. And then I just got some little flip-flops on. I forget where these are from, like American Eagle, I think. And then my Michael Kors purse and my iPhone 8 Plus. Anywho, I'm going to be meeting her at the train or whatever, I guess. So yeah, that's the next stop. All right, hey YouTube, so I'm with Melissa now. I decided to record on my phone because I didn't want to bring my camera downtown, not on public transportation at least. So right now we're going to Flat Top. Yeah, that's all we're doing right now. It's a little cold too. Say hey, Melissa. Smell like weird. So I just got in Flat Top. About to get something to eat before we shop. We took the train down here. I don't know if I said that in the first video. Yeah. So that's all. Get some food real quick. So we got our little food with we got the same thing, but she got some eggs in hers. Yeah.
Mine looks better. I got meat. She don't have no meat in hers.
Okay, I don't like meat.
I got chicken, shrimp.
I guess, but this is gonna be good anyway. I don't care.
No.
Happiness is to you, cause I'm clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. What'd you say? Yep.
And any change for who had cash?
Oh, I paid cash. I don't need change. Bring me down, change. You like 9 to 5 on the weekend at home. Make it lose his mind. It ain't nothing good in it. Right now, me and Liz are Urban Outfitters. We don't see nothing though, because they a little bit overdoing it with their prices. They ridiculous if they think, how much is that one? If they think, look, this little old piece of fabric for $29. They better go ahead somewhere because we bought this on a budget. That's pretty point blank.
Y'all can see that some money though.
Yep. She crazy. If anything, just send me like $5. That's all I need. Let's get the heck up out of here.
Let me know what y'all think.
Should she spend $27 on that? Comment.
No, this is 30.
Oh my Jesus. Should she spend $30 on 3 inches of fabric? I don't think so, y'all. Anyway, about to head back on State Street. See what other stores we can see. Just look around. It's just all these cute people everywhere, and they're so cute. It's all these cute people everywhere, and I just don't know what to do with myself. I'm not gonna lie. Yep, I look stupid probably with this phone like this. Anyway. YouTube, we're at the bean. Just walking around, waiting for Melissa's mom to get back because we about to leave soon. Yeah, just enjoying the view.